This is Silvy with Radio Azad, and today I have the pleasure of speaking with Dr. Roderick Smith of MCCHS, Muslim Community Center, Human Services. Thank you so much for joining us on Radio Azad. How are you?
I am wonderful. Thank you for having me. I'm looking forward to having the conversation here and just educating people on the work and the service that we provide at Muslim Community Center for Human Services.
Thank you so much. So tell us a little bit about MCC, please.
Yes, ma'am. So MCC was started about over 30 years ago from one guy named Dr. Bashir. Dr. Bashir instantly realized that there was something that the Muslim community was lacking, and that was access to affordable healthcare, dentistry, counseling services, and social services. So he put together the proposal with some friends to say, you know what, we're going to start a nonprofit organization. And MCC at that moment was birthed.
Wonderful, 30 years ago. So what are some of the services that are provided by MCC?
Yeah, so currently at the moment, MCC, we provide affordable and low cost dental services, counseling services, medical services, as well as social services. So individuals needing documents filed or needing to connect and get citizenship, things of that magnitude, we provide services for that.
So, can you also tell our listeners and our viewers, where are these services provided? Where is MCC based? And who is provided these services?
Most definitely. So we're based here in Tarrant County. Our address is 7600 Glenview Drive in Richland Hills, Texas. We have a team of doctors, a team of volunteers, a team of counselors, and other professionals that work together in collaboration to make sure that we are meeting the needs for everybody in the DFW area. So yes, we're in Tarrant County. However, we're not bound to Tarrant County. We actually cover the entire DFW area.
That's great. So people that are living in the DFW area, Dallas, Fort Worth area, this is a local nonprofit organization that is serving people right here in Texas, right here in Dallas. And it's been last 30 years, and there's such a critical need for these services, I would imagine.
Yeah, most definitely. Just last year alone, MCC, we assisted over almost 6,000 individuals and counting. And so our goal this year is to increase that. We understand that the need is out there, the need is real, and access to these affordable services are in some communities not there. So that's where we step up, and that's where we are asking individuals like the listeners to Radio Azad to say, hey, you know what? I'm willing to pitch in. I want to help. I want to be a hand raiser. I want to be a change maker for my community because I understand that in this moment it's on us. And so we're going to partner with MCC to ensure that we're meeting the needs, ensure that nobody goes without, and ensure that everybody is healed, healthy, and whole.
That is such a great mission, and I'm sure I've been reading generally, it seems that the need just keeps growing for these services, the demand, the need, and there's not enough supply, basically.
Yeah, exactly. We see on average about 300 calls a month just for individuals seeking assistance. And so what we're trying to do is we're trying to have it to where we put you on a scale to where if you are indigent or cannot afford to pay, we don't want to turn you away. We still want you to be able to get the services you need, get seen, get the treatment. And so that's where we're coming now.
It's wonderful. And even though the name says Muslim in it, who do you serve just Muslim clients?
Yeah, no, ma'am. We do not serve just Muslim clients. We are actually open to all ethnicities, races, and walks of life. We have doctors of Muslim faith, Christian faith, all different types. So we're here to serve the people at the end of the day.
So no matter who needs the services, doesn't matter what race, religion,
Yeah,
anything, they will be provided those services that they need. So, how can our listeners help? What is your appeal to our viewers and listeners for this Ramadan?
most definitely. So right now in this campaign, our goal is to raise an average of about $10,000 to be able to provide individuals free healthcare services, free counseling services, and free dental services to continue the mission and also to continue serving the community as we need to be. If anybody is interested in donating to the cause, or if anybody is interested in calling to hear more, they can always donate directly by calling 817 589 9165, or they can visit our website at mcc-hs.org.
Okay. And it's that website is pretty comprehensive. It explains your projects, who you serve, really easy to donate. There's a how to donate button at the top. You will also receive a receipt. So that is really easy to do. Is there any particular project or anything that you are focused on for the year ahead, or is it just generally increasing the services that are being provided?
Yes, so my goal is for this year is to not just increase the service that we're providing, but also increase the number of volunteers. So we understand organizations as such, we can have employees, but the ones who really making the difference are our volunteers. And so we're looking for additional medical providers. We're looking for additional counselors, additional social workers, and people that can come and just help out and help fill the calls that we're receiving.
Okay. It's a great service. And as I mentioned, it seems now more than ever, there is such a need for healthcare. There's such a need for mental health care that's also provided, social services, counseling, and much respect to MCC for providing these services to people that are in need. And again, thank you so much, Dr. Smith, for taking some of your time to be here with Radio Azad today.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for having us.
And any last words for our listeners before we let you go?
Yeah, so if you find yourself in need of affordable health care, if you find your child is in need of affordable health care and cannot get into a doctor, that's what MCC is here for. We provide that PCP, that primary care physician aspect of it. We can send you for labs. We can assess and identify the things that most doctors have a wait list to do that. So we're encouraging everybody and anybody to just come by and give us a try. We've increased our clinics in the month of March. And so, yeah, we're looking forward to helping anybody.
Okay. Thank you so much again for being part of Radio Azad today. Thank you for your time.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.